Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2111 code? This code means the throttle actuator control system is stuck in an open position. If you ignore this issue, your engine may rev higher than normal, causing unsafe driving conditions and poor control. P2111 stands for Throttle Actuator Control System, stuck open. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the throttle plate is not closing properly and remains open, which can allow too much air into the engine. This system controls the throttle electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, high or fluctuating idle, engine revving on its own, poor throttle control, and sometimes sudden acceleration. In some cases, the vehicle may enter limp mode to prevent damage. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by checking throttle position data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for carbon buildup inside the throttle body, as it can cause the throttle plate to stick open. Also inspect wiring and sensors for incorrect signals. If the throttle plate is stuck or the actuator is faulty, the throttle body may need cleaning or replacement. Finally, clean the throttle body, repair any wiring issues, replace faulty components if necessary, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2111 on time will restore proper throttle control, stable idle, and safe driving conditions.